Prior to FigJam, we used Miro, super cool tool, but when FigJam came out, it just was a no-brainer for us, right? We wanted to make sure that our ideation and brainstorms were living side by side with our project files. In a world where tool consolidation is everything, it was a no-brainer to make sure that we're just operating out of Figma. That's what we did.
And before we started using FigJam, was just that everything was really static and uncollaborative with a Google slide or a page.
There was one time where we tried to use Google Docs for retros, and that was kind of a mess with people trying to highlight and add things.
The effort to write a retro on a document is so high. So we would only do that for stuff that's really severe. Once we switched to using FigJam, now we do it every time we ship something. So we use it for team retros, for doing product specs, for brainstorming ideas, and we use it to have a little bit of fun for culture building.
Even when I'm doing presentations to leadership now, I won't make a keynote or a Google slide, I'll make a FigJam. And it's just very intuitive and there's no friction for them to jump in and start working with me.
And I love how FigJam feels so personable. It feels more like I'm sitting in a couch with my team and we're all collaborating on something together.
I would say the biggest business impact is how much time it saves all of our teams. Those templates in FigJam definitely go a long way.
It's definitely helped us make decisions faster by just getting everyone on the same page. The faster you make decisions, the faster the team can move and get products to market quicker.